Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how we can use Python library hijacking in order to escalate our privileges or in order to execute some commands in our target's computer. We are in the Hack the Box Academy in the Linux privilege escalation module. This module is somehow a little bit disorienting. There are various methods we can use in order to accomplish our mission, but we are going to use the most easiest, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, first things first. We have to SSH over our target. In this case, Hack the Box student. Let me press yes. Okay, let me put the password. Student, okay. And we are in. Let's now look what we have. We have this file. It's a Python file. It's actually a Python script. Let's see what privileges we have over this script. And as you can see here, we can use this script as sudoers, even though we don't have full permissions. And let's see what kind of permissions do we have. Sudo /l. So, as sudo users, we can execute Python 3 and this command. Okay, what do we do now? Now, let's cut the file we have in order to see what there is inside. And as you can see here, this user is using a module, psutils. Okay, import psutil. So we are going to edit this file. Let's find this file. Let's use grep rdef. What is using from psutil virtual memory. Okay. So virtual /memory. Okay, and we are going to find this in the Python's lists. User local bin, not bin, excuse me, library Python 3.8 dist, okay, and psutil / and star. No, maybe I have done something wrong. Let me try again. User local library Python this package psutil. Okay. Okay, so we have this kind of files, and this file looks exactly what we need. Let's copy this file, copy, and let's see what there is inside this file. Cut. As you can see, we have many things to see here inside, but we have to find exactly the virtual memory, the virtual memory function. Let's search for the function. Open class. System processes, no, this is not what we need. CPU related, no. It's going to be somewhere over here. System memory related functions. Perfect. So, DEF virtual memory. So, we have to use a command. We have to import the operating system module, and in this operating system module we have to write our script. I'm gonna show you exactly what we are going to do. I'm sorry about that, I had to interrupt the video. So we are going to edit this file, edit this script by using vim. So we use vim, I paste the whole path, and this is exactly the spot we're going to place our payload, right under this function. Okay, so in case you don't know how to use vim, we just press I to insert, okay, and import os dot system, and inside here we can put anything we like. We can put a command, or we can put a reverse shell in order to enter our target's computer as a root. But in our case, I'm just going to use cat root flag txt, and we are ready. So we now press escape and WQ in order to save it, and let's see what let's see if it works. First of all, we have to see what kind of commands we can use as sudoers without the need of password. So sudo and DL flag, and we can use these two commands, right, exactly how it's typed here. So we have to put the whole path. So sudo user bin python3 and home http student and our file. Perfect. So it works. This is exactly how we hijack a Python module in order to escalate our privileges, or in order to make to execute something from our target. And this is the flag. Thank you for joining me again. I hope to see you again soon.